Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Word round the campfire is that Faraday Future has completed its first production model FF91. This is big news as the company showed us the FF91's body in white at the end of July and hadn't expected to have a finished car until December. This is definitely an exciting moment for the company. But remember, gang, there is a big difference between building a single car and building thousands in a week. Uber's self-driving car development program all but shuttered after the incident in Arizona that resulted in the death of a pedestrian. We didn't expect it to get going again anytime soon, but Toyota gave the dev program a shot in the heart in the form of an investment of $500 million. And together, the companies hope to catch up to giants like Waymo in the race to autonomy. Indian's Scout entry-level line of cruisier motorcycles is getting a big bump in safety thanks to the addition of standard anti-lock brakes on all non-black motorcycles. This should prove to be a huge benefit to the new riders at whom the Scout is targeted. Also new for 2019 is the inclusion of a USB socket near the speedometer on the Scout and Scout Bobber models, and the availability of an accessory USB socket retrofit kit for Scouts going back to 2015. We're looking forward to the reveal of the rest of Indian's 2019 lineup, which we expect in a few weeks. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.